Excel Workbook and Use of English, Grade 5, Model 9A, Exercises from 1 to 10, pages 66 and 67. Exercise 1. Write the missing months: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Which is your favorite month? December. Exercise 2. Fill in the correct weather word. The first: it's raining in London. It's rainy in London. The second: it's snowing in Denmark. It's snowy in Denmark. The third: it's foggy in Paris. The fourth: it's cold in Edinburgh. The fifth: it's cloudy in Warsaw. The sixth: it's warm in Madrid. The seventh: it's sunny in Ankara. The eighth: it's windy in Sofia. The ninth: it's freezing in Moscow. The 10th: it's hot in Astana. Exercise 3. Complete the sentences with the correct word. The first: it's 40 Celsius outside, it's boiling hot. The second: it's raining now, take your umbrella. The third: it's so foggy outside that I can't see. The fourth: look, it's snowing, let's make a snowman. The fifth: it's hot and sunny today, let's go to the beach. The sixth: John is wearing a jacket because it's chilly outside. The seventh: we aren't going swimming today because it isn't very warm. Exercise 4. Match the opposites. The first: hot, cold. The second: warm, cool. The third: sunny, cloudy. The fourth: boiling hot, freezing cold. Exercise 5. Circle the odd word out. The first: May, winter, June, April. The odd word is winter. The second: warm, hot, sunny, cold. The odd word is cold. The third: autumn, spring, summer, freezing. The odd word is freezing. The fourth: spring, December, January, February. The odd word is spring. The fifth: snowing, freezing, cold, warm. The odd word is warm. Exercise 6. What is the weather like in these cities? Look and write. The first: it's sunny in Almaty. The second: it's cloudy in London. The third: it's raining in Berlin. The fourth: it's windy in Madrid. The fifth: it's snowing in Oslo. It's snowy in Oslo. The sixth: it's foggy in Paris. Exercise 7. Fill in. The first: go windsurfing. Go surfing. The second: have fun. Have lunch. Have a wonderful time. The third: play beach volleyball. Play basketball. The fourth: make a sandcastle. Make a snowman. Exercise 8. Complete the text with the correct word. My favorite season is summer. It's very hot in here in Brazil, and people spend most mornings at the beach. They go swimming or water skiing I like windsurfing, but my brother prefers kite surfing. At weekends, we usually go camping. Summers are fun. Exercise 9. Fill in the gaps with the correct word. The first. The children are making a sandcastle now. The second. My sister is sunbathing at the beach right now. The third. Children often make snowmen in winter. The fourth. There is a floating market in Thailand. The fifth. Can you sail a boat? Exercise 10. Write a short text about your favorite season. Write about the weather and what you do. My favorite season is winter. It's very cold in Canada in the winter. It snows a lot. In Canada, people spend most weekends skiing and building snowmen. Canadians don't mind the cold. I often go snowboarding.